So today we're wiring a single pole switch. So you want to start out wiring out all your grounds together, and then have a little jumper. Jump out and get your switch. Switch grounded right there. And your ground wires run through. Here's where it's grounded over here on the bulb. And then your switch, the single pole. The neutrals are tied together so you don't use them. Your hot wires are right here. And they go on the brass side. You have no neutral sides, that's why the neutrals are tied together. And down here, your neutral wire goes to your bulb, and your hot wire is your brass to control right here. So put that on. These guys in.
Isn't that supposed to be the ground?
No, you ground it in your box.
Oh, you just ground the boxes.
Grab your screwdriver. Tighten him down. Make sure all your wires are nice and neat. Down. Right here. Same thing. Tighten him down.
The green is ground, right?
Put that guy in. There's your light.
The green is ground, right?
Ta-da!
Yes, Blake.